Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the family number 7, Nyctaginaceae, or commonly it is also called as 4 o'clock family. So first we see systematic position of this family. Division Phanerogames, subdivision Angiosperm, class Dicotyledon, subclass Monoclamidae, series Curvemri, order Caryophyllales, family Nyctaginaceae, which is characterized as involucre of separate or united brightly colored bracts, and second, one-seeded anthocarp fruits. These are important characters of this family. Then after that we must see silent features of this family. See here, Nyctaginaceae or 4 o'clock family includes 30 genera and 300 species according to Rendell. It is widely distributed in tropical and temperate America and warmer parts of the world. They are called 4 o'clock because of the fact that flowers in certain members of this group, example mirabilis, open in greatest numbers in late afternoon. Then we must see the vegetative characters in relation to their habit, root, stem, leaf. So first we see habit, shrubs, herbs or scandent or trees. Root is always taproot and well branched. Stem is herbaceous or woody, erect or even climbing, example bougainvillea. Leaf is always alternate or opposite, simple, those of which pairs being often very unequal and exstipulate. Then after vegetative characters we must see floral characters with inflorescences, flowers and perianth. So first we see inflorescences. Inflorescences is a cymose type, biparous with a tendency to monocagial development in the higher branches. Flowers are always perfect or declinous as a Pionacea by suppression of stamens or pistils. Hypogynous, actinomorphic, rarely zygomorphic, usually subtended by an involucre of 3 to 5 separate or united brightly colored bracts that are often mistaken for sepals. In Mirabilis, each flower is surrounded at the base by an involucre of 5 sepals like bracts. In Bougainvillea, there are 3 involucre bracts, each subtending a flower. In Boravia and others, the involucre leaves are reduced to teeth or scales. Then perianth, tepals 4 to 5, gamophilous, tubular with wide spreading lobes, often petaloid, infundibuliform, imbricate or twisted, contorted, connate in a funnel shaped or tubular, the base of which persistent and enclosing the fruit, forming the so-called anthocarp. Then next point in floral characters, that is androecium. Stamens variable 2 to 20. They are free, usually 5 to 8 or equal to the number of petals, but there may be fewer or more filament of unequal length. Then gynoecium, one carpel, superior, unilocular with a single basal ovule, style long and simple. Then next point, fruit. Fruit is dry, one-seeded anthocarp, akin, surrounded by persistent perianth lobes, indehiscent. Seeds are small, non-endospermic, and pollination takes place by entomophilous type. Then floral formula: bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth 5, gamophilous, androecium 5 or 2 to 20, gynoecium monocarpillary, apocarpus, superior ovary. Then lastly, we must see common examples and economic importance of this family. So see here that there are so many common examples including under this family, but out of these few examples we are studying with their economic importance. Number one is Mirabilis jalapa, or it is also called as a 4 o'clock plant. It is an ornamental plant. The roots are purgative. The leaves lessen inflammation and are applied to boils. Second example, that is Boravia diffusa, which are showing some common economic importance, such as common weed after rainy seasons. Medicinal root is laxative and also used in asthma, anemia and jaundice. It is a antidote to snake venom. The next example, that is Boravia repens. Third example, that is Bougainvillea glabra or Bougainvillea spectabilis. It is an ornamental plant cultivated in various places, such as botanical gardens, such as public gardens and another places. Then next example of this family is Pyoncia aculeata. It is a large climber armed with recurved axillary spines. So these are some common examples and economic importance of this family. Okay, thank you.